That green one, that green windmill is from the 19th century, and you might notice it looks a bit different from the other ones. The other ones, they have these green planks on the side, and the other ones that are used to change the orientation of the top part of the windmill. And you can see it's like a different bit that can be moved. That one, the entire windmill moves around in order to get oriented with regards to the wind. If you want to see a windmill from the inside, the one that you can visit is that one. So not the green one, but the one after. And it's actually the third one in the line, because if you continue all the stretch from here, you will first see one windmill, and then you can go to the right, follow that path, and you can see all the people walking around. And it's the third one, it's called the cat, and it's a pigment mill. Yes, so they are crushing pigments. These type of stones were the ones that were actually used to process some of these materials that involve crushing. So now you can also see that bit, and you can even see how it works on the inside.
Hello guys, good morning. Shanti here. Welcome back to my channel. We are going inside the wooden shoe workshop, and there they are going to show us how the wooden shoes are made. And you can see there are different varieties of shoes here, and it is very nice and nicely maintained. Look at the shoes here, many different varieties. They also wear shoes as per the occasion, like for wedding there are different shoes, and for outing there are different shoes. So there are very different kinds of shoes here, like ManojDey type and many things you can see in the image. It's very nice. The shoe factory is located in Zaanse Schan. It took us 2 hours to reach here by bus from Amsterdam Central station, and we had booked prior with our tour operator, and it was very nice. The view outside was very good. Look here, it's so nice, and we'll show you further how they make these shoes, the process. Come on, let's see.
Shoe workshop. Today I'm going to show you how we make a wooden shoe out of this piece of wood. To start with the wood, the kind of wood that we use to make a wooden shoe in English, poplar or willow. This is a piece of poplar, fresh and wet. Then it's relatively easy to work with. Back in the days, all wooden shoes were made by hand. They use a large pole knife for the outside shape, and for the inside several sizes, so-called spoon screws. And this was pretty hard work. It took around 2.5 to 3 hours if you were a really skilled shoemaker. Nowadays on the machines, it's only gonna take 5 minutes. And this machine will make the outside shape. It works the same way as duplicating a key. We're gonna make an exact copy of this model.
The shoes, how beautifully he is designing the shoe. Look at it. He'll remove it from the machine right now.
Rough outside, same system for the inside. Again, a copy of the model. And the last two parts, nose and heels, cut off by hand.
सब्जी का आपसे शूज कट रहा है, डिजाइन दे रहा है उसको.
Shoe, it's still not finished. Shoe is still quite wet. This is all natural water from the tree. So we need to dry the shoe. This takes about 3 to 4 weeks. Once it's dry, we polish it. The result is a wooden shoe for a child of about 4 years old, and that might look a little big for a 4-year-old, but of course, wooden shoes are quite big. And they are a little too big for one finger space, and with thick woolen socks, that way they're comfortable. We wear these wooden shoes because they're warm, they are waterproof and very strong. They're official safety shoes, keeping your feet warm, dry and safe when you work outside. That's how we make wooden shoes. Have fun, enjoy your stay.
वुडन शूज़ फैक्ट्री में आए हुए हैं। ये सारे शूज़ है होलैंड के और ये है स्टार्टिंग अराउंड 5000-6000 के करीब है, जो पहले के टाइम पे इन लोग पहनते थे, अभी भी पहनते हैं। इट्स क्वाइट नाइस एंड बहुत सारे अलग अलग टाइप के डिज़ाइंस है। सी दिस, उसके लिए ये सॉक्स भी पहनने पड़ते हैं सन में, और वहाँ पे वो पता है उन्होंने कैसे बनाते हैं वो शूज़। ये पूरा व्यू है पूरे फैक्ट्री का, और यहाँ पे जो शूज़ बेचने के लिए रखे हैं उसका, ये बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से रखा हुआ है, ऊपर भी लगे हुए हैं, इफ़ यू कैन सी। यहाँ पे मिनिमम हर एक आइटम 1500 के ऊपर ही है। 15 यूरोस मीन्स 1500 इंडियन करेंसी। इफ़ यू कैन सी दिस फ्लावर्स and this toys. So let's exit and see the windmills and the view of the Zaanse Schan, and look at the beautiful view of the nature here. It's so nice, pleasant. Look at the sheep here. जैसे हम लोग पिक्चर में देखते हैं बिल्कुल वैसे ही दिख रहा है यहाँ पे। बहुत ही अच्छा और खूबसूरत है यहाँ पे। Look at the windmill, so nice. ग्रीन विंडमिल के वहाँ पे जाना है अंदर, तो उसके लिए टिकट है, अंदर जा सकते हैं। लुक एट दिस शीप। तो यहाँ पे अब हम लोग चल के थोड़ा आगे जाएंगे और देखेंगे और क्या चीज़ें हैं यहाँ पे। तो देख सकते हो यहाँ पे एक घर बना हुआ है जिसके अंदर हम लोग अभी जाने वाले हैं, और यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कुकीज़ एंड चॉकलेट्स है। चॉकलेट भी शूज़ के शेप का बना हुआ है, विच इज़ अराउंड 6 यूरोज, 600 रुपीज़ इंडियन करेंसी। विंडमिल के शेप का बना हुआ है चॉकलेट्स, एंड दिस आर द ब्राउन चॉकलेट्स, देन दिस आर द कुकीज़, दिस आर द चीज़ ऑफ हेनरी विलिग्स, एंड लुक एट द शॉप, इट हैज़ मेनी वेराइटीज़ ऑफ चीज़ अगेन हियर, एंड इट इज़ वेरी नाइसली मेंटेन्ड. Look at the windmill there. Let's walk ahead and see. So we are going inside the green windmill and going to see what is there inside it. Let's go and see. So here they are serving hot chocolate, which I'm going to buy and taste.
Try.
It's nice.
Dubai.
तो यहाँ से अभी हम लोग निकल रहे हैं और चल के जाने वाले हैं हम लोग के बस की तरफ. फिर बस से हम लोग जाने वाले हैं एम्स्टर्डम सेंट्रल. वहाँ से फिर हम लोग का बोट राइड करेंगे. इट वॉज रियली वर्थ वॉचिंग हियर एंड इट वॉज अ गुड प्लेस, मस्ट विजिट प्लेस इफ़ यू आर इन एम्स्टर्डम. Some glimpse of the Zaanse Schan. It was really very beautiful, and now it's time to go back to Amsterdam Central station. So we are going back by our bus. We'll go to the Amsterdam Central station, and from there we'll go in the lovely cruise, and we will see the view of Amsterdam by the cruise. It was really worth watching here. And please do like, share, subscribe my channel and stay tuned for my last vlog. Thank you for watching my video.